Good morning. I wanted to show the birds. We just like this here. I'm gonna try to get as much as possible on this one. I have a doctor's appointment in Tompkinsville later today, but I want to show this one. But I also wanted to show you something. Let me get my book. Okay. The kittens. I don't know how to do this. Can you see it? It has two paws here hugging that little kitten, but it also has a leg down. So I'm gonna take that leg out because this cat has 5 legs. So I didn't notice that until last night. Yeah, it's got 5 legs, but that's okay. Remember, we had to take the finger away from the ferret. So I hope everyone had a fantastic Mother's Day, whether you are a mother to a human baby, or you might be a mom to a fur baby. Hey, they think of you as mom. So, to me, that counts. We have rain. It's supposed to have rain the next 3 days. So I'm going to be working on this one to get it finished up so we can start working on the kittens. I thought this must be the month of animals. Because we did the puppy one, we've done bird ones, and now we're going to do kittens. It wasn't raining when I took Bella out this morning. So I was happy for that. Okay. Okay. Isn't it funny how YouTube, okay, I started watching this sewing channel. I had linked hers channel in case you want to see it in my last video. Now I get all these sewing channels popping up. Like I said, I got that appointment at 1 in Tompkinsville. It'll take me longer to get there than it does to actually get what is going, you know. Okay. Than actually getting in to see the doctor. There. Before I start, I'm gonna get some wax on my pen. Just do that right out the bat, huh? Okay. Yeah, it's supposed to rain here the next 3 days. There we go. Oh, oh. I wish I had a hair thing. I'll wait until I get through. Usually I have a hair tie thing right here. But this time I don't. What did I do? I didn't, by the time I got from church, we had the baptism last night. We go to Dale Hall Marina, and where they take the boats off of, and that's where we baptize. And as we was baptizing, this guy, well, before this guy come down, and he said, we're going to be bringing a trailer, getting a boat. So we got over to one side. Well, when Brother Ronnie took Tina out to baptize her, it was very nice of him. He got out of his truck and stood there and watched us, and the boat stayed a little piece away. Well, excuse me, as the boat was coming in and she is in the water, there was big ripples in the water. It was so pretty. So I got a frog in my throat. I had beans and cornbread yesterday, navy beans with cornbread. They were so good. They had cooked all night and most of the day. And last night, I had a little bit of chips. That's about all I had. I gotta go get blood work Wednesday. I know what she's gonna say. She's gonna say, Linda, your AC number's high. She's constantly wanting to push sugar on me because my sister had sugar. So apparently, we don't have doctors here. I think we got 2 doctors. You can't get in to see them. You have to fill out. It's almost like an application. And if they don't accept you, they don't accept you. So, what it is, they get stuck on one thing and they run with it. My sister was a diabetic. She could go with the cold and they'd say, oh, it's because she's a diabetic. I don't care what she'd go see them about. They would blame it on her diabetes and never doctor her for what's wrong with her. She gets so fed up. We had good church service last night. If I wasn't almost done, I'd put something across there. Across my top. Oh, never mind. I'll put this here. It's just sticky enough to stick to my top. 3. This one has worked up really good. Of course, I say that about all of them. It was fun to work. Except one. There's been a few that's been a struggle. So, yeah, the cat one, I had sent a picture to a friend I talked to. But when I sent the picture, I thought, there's something wrong. And then when I got to looking, it's got a front paw down. You can see 2 back legs, but then it's got 2 arms around the kitten. And it's like, okay, I'm going to have to fix that. And that's the only problem with low budget diamond paintings. The rendering gets off just a tad. But as I was looking at it, I'll bring the colors from the back and I'll just take that leg out. But I think their faces are going to be cute. And it's bigger. Okay, I found out, I was watching, I forgot whose haul, but they said if you order from local warehouse, order from the same seller. Because if you jump around and order from different sellers, then you have to pay shipping for each item. Like if you order 5 different things from 5 different warehouses, then you'll have to pay 5 different shipments. See what I'm saying? And then I'm wondering, why is Temu have raised their fee so much when other ones from overseas hasn't raised it that much? So I don't think, now this is just me and I could totally be wrong, but I don't see them totally doing it away with it because it is a tariff. So there's no getting around it right now. course, what do I know? You know, what do I know? I know it's affected a lot of people on the diamond paintings, and me too. Because I bought lots and lots of diamond paintings from Timo. And please don't snub people for buying low budget diamond paintings. I'll be watching a diamond painting haul. I come across this channel and thinking, oh, I enjoy this channel. And then the next thing you know, they're snubbing people for buying low budget. Don't do that. Because not everybody can afford the premium paintings. Yeah, I can't afford to give high prices. Once I get some bills paid off, I possibly can start buying a few. Oh, I got a question. Around Christmas time, Walmart started bringing, the diamond paintings in. The Walmarts around me now aren't carrying them. Don't know when they'll get them back in. Is that because they was getting them from overseas? Because I do know Walmart has a lot of China products in their store. I was talking to her, and I said, "Where's the diamond paintings?" She said, "We had them at Christmas time and was supposed to get some more in, but we've never got them." So Walmart in Tompkinsville don't carry them now. Said she didn't know when they would get them or if they'd get them. And there was another Walmart. Had to be Columbia. Had just very, very few. And it was leftovers from what they had. Now the Christmas canvases went. I saw was going to go back and get them when I got some money, and that's gone. So everybody had jumped onto those. So I was just wondering, is your Walmart, are they got new diamond paintings in, or do they still have the old kits? My friend Alicia had bought the Santa Claus diamond painting for 98 cents after Christmas. She started working it, but she don't like it. She don't like it. She's a puzzle. She likes working puzzles. Yeah, she said, because once you do a diamond painting, that's it. It's over with. You can't redo it. She said a puzzle you can take apart and rework it somewhere down the line, which is true. My sister, Tony, didn't like diamond painting. Because at Christmas time, she thinks they're pretty. And I think she likes looking at them. But as far as her working them, she don't like it. So they're supposed to come in today, bring filters. So I was thinking, I better get this video up and out there quick. Because I didn't want, because when they show up at the door, oh, Bella just goes ballistic. She does not like people at her door. Now, my other little dog never barked. I'm telling you, she never barked. The maintenance men would come in. She'd never make a sound. This one, they come door, she makes lunch at the door. So, that's how she is. So, I have to put her I hold her. Bella is, if she likes you, she likes you. Now, last year, she would not let the lady across the street near her. This year, she's crazy about her. And she's always loved the lady next door to me and the lady next door to me. Don't like dogs, don't like animals, period. But Bella has always just had a fit over her. And I just don't understand it, because to her, dogs are dogs. They're not intelligent. They don't have feelings. They can't understand you. They're just dogs. Nothing else. She has a horrible outlook. You know. She had a little dog, and I was so glad when she gave it away, because it wasn't, when it went in the house, it had to stay exactly on its bed. It'd start to get off the bed, and she'd make it get back on the bed. The only time it could get off the bed was if it was getting some water and eating. It couldn't sit on the couch, nothing, furniture. She wouldn't hold it. You don't hold dogs. Little dog couldn't lick her. And I thought, boy, I wish she'd find it another home. Well, she found it another home. She got rid of it because she said, she took it because she actually felt sorry for it, where it was at. So it had to have been pretty bad where this little dog came from. But I felt sorry for a little dog. And us people that has animals, we know they're more porn right. We know they're smarter than people give them credit. We're going to do one more color, then I'm going to get off here. Get me some breakfast. If I had just a day to diamond paint, I could would have gotten this done. But I haven't had just a solid day to work on it. There we go. Whoa. So that's about it as to what I'm going to do today. I got to go Tompkinsville. So I can diamond paint it up until the time I go. So Yeah, last night she had her grandson. I think he's 5, 6, something like that. And he was terrified of the water. And so I stood there by him and talked to him and stuff, trying to keep him calm. And so after she got baptized, he was wanting his grandma, but she had just walked out of the water, and the pastor and his wife was there beside her. Of course, pastor had baptized her, and they was getting pictures so that they could give to her. They take pictures to give to you. But anyway, and she was wanting him in the picture. He wasn't about to go near that water. So she had to come up further. And I was standing there thinking, now if that was my son, you couldn't have kept him out of the water. And my son couldn't swim a lick, but he loved water. Now, I don't know if he can swim now. So, and of course, by it being a boat ramp, it was so steep. And they, you know how they'll take you backwards under the water. Well, they couldn't do her backwards because for some medical reason, if she goes backwards, she passes out. So they brought her forward. I think because it throws her so off balance that it makes her pass out. I don't understand it. But that was no problem. Yeah, it's pouring down. It's supposed to be 95% chance of rain. So, there. It's wrong color. Ooh, oh my goodness. Time has gotten away from me. Oh my. This will be a long one to upload. So, God bless you. You hang in there. Have a blessed day. If you have to be out in this rain, please be careful. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.